Hello everyone, in the previous video we saw how to use built-in pipes that Angular provides. Now suppose you want to add an extra functionality that maybe Angular built-in pipes do not provide. So in that case you would have to make your own custom pipe for adding that functionality. In the previous video we saw these two built-in pipes that we used. One was uppercase and another was date. So this post paragraph which is right beneath it, it was not earlier but I added this to show you that how to use your own pipe. As you can see in TypeScript file, I've added this recently, one extra property. Now my interface looks something like this. Now suppose I want to make this post string short. That means I only want to show a particular substring of it. So for that I'll be making one pipe. For making pipe you'll write ng generate pipe and then pipe name. After clicking enter, in a few seconds your pipe will be created. Now go to your pipe. So in that pipe you'll see some import and decorator will be there, which is necessary for working of the pipe. Now in the class short pipe you'll see one function is there which is transform, which plays a very important role for providing the functionality. So in this two parameters are there, one is value and the another is argument. So this argument is a parameter that you provide and this value is the string or the particular element on which you apply the pipe. So we want to apply pipe to the value. So write return value dot substring from 0 to 10 and then you can add any particular string after that. Now in this example what we are doing is we are showing the substring from 0 to 10 for the particular value on which we are applying the pipe. Okay. Also we are writing one more condition that if the string length is greater than 10, only then we will try to return the substring from 0 to 10. Okay. Otherwise if length is not greater than 10, then we will directly return the string. Okay. So now our pipe is created. Now go to your template and use the pipe by writing the pipe symbol and then you can write the pipe name. So everything is done. Let's see our pipe is working or not. Save your work and compile it. After compilation, open your browser and let's see whether our pipe is working or not. Okay. Our application is now loaded. As you can see, the post string is now shortened. Only the 0 to 10 substring is being shown in the application. Now what if user wants to provide his own limit? In the example, if you notice, we are just hard coding that we want from 0 to 10 substring. But what if user want to provide that choice that he want substring from, let's say, 0 to 5 or 0 to 11? So for that we will be using some extra parameter. So the second parameter, which is args, we can use that in terms of parameter. So wherever we have written the condition and like from 0 to 10 we will provide their parameter. Okay, you can also change this second parameter and provide any simple name for it. I have provided limit, so write in place of 10 simply limit. Okay, so now we will be adding this limit as a parameter in our template file. So go to template file and add the parameter. So how to add parameter? You just need to write colon and after that you can provide the parameter. So in this case we are providing limit, so you can add any limit, let's say 6. Okay, so let's see our pipe is working or not. So as you can see we have provided 6. That means the post string will be only shown from 0 to 6. Okay, let's see whether substring from 0 to 6 is being shown or not. Okay, wait for a few minutes. Okay, as you can see now our string is now more shortened. That means our pipe is working. So in this way you can provide some extra parameter to the custom pipe that you would be creating. I hope you understood very well. Thank you for watching video.